the airboat ramp. No water today. Get out of the wind a lot back here. It's nice. We might have to fish this. I think I got a little snook on. Just fishing these outer little islands and grass patches out here. Little snooky. There's a whole pile of snook off this point, it looks like. Back-to-back cast with a little dink snook. This one's a little bit bigger. I saw him chase it. That's a big snook. Oh my god, I was reeling it across that bay and that snook missed it 3 times. Oh, big fish. He's big. I saw him chase it the whole way in. I was so nervous I didn't want to say anything. Like my heart stopped. I saw the fish coming and I'm just like, and then he ate it right at the boat. That's when I finally made a noise, once I knew I had the fish. He was out here with the school of mullet. That's why he fished with mullet schools. That's a big fish. He's not actually that big. I know, it's been a slow morning. Well, that's a snook. He might be a keeper. He might be just under a keeper. That's a beautiful fish. I love snook. I love that head shake. Such a beautiful fish. Alright, head first. And it's just under slot. Yeah, he's not very big. The one yesterday was like 6 inches bigger than that. He's close. He's very close. I bet he's 28 inches. 27. That's a nice 28-inch snook. Beautiful snook. About a slot size snook right here. Gonna let her go. Here's on the back side of that bar. Is that another snook? No, it's a little red. Cool. Oh, we got our redfish and snook. We can go home now. Our hour and a half of fishing in the wind. He might be a keeper. That pretty little redfish. Yeah, he's crazy. Ate that white swim bait, same one the snook did. Not bad, couple of hours artificial. Had to make a few casts for him. I think the fish are moving with his cold front. Got a fish. Feels like a nice red. looks like a jack. That's a red. Cool. Little redfish. There's a redfish. Put the spoon on and got a red. Oh, and came on. He ate the spoon in that little cut. Oh, he came unhooked again. Eating our crackers. Good job. Get him in the boat. Woohoo! What did I? You found the trout hole. You don't give me a chance to fish. You don't give me a chance to fish. You gonna take him off the hook yourself? On my Berkeley gulp. Yep. A little pocket of trout. Started at 10 o'clock, just goofing around on the flats with Kelly. This is fun, right? He's almost big enough for dinner. Some fun sized trout, big trout. They're eating that gulp, sitting in this 5-foot hole. Right off the edge of the channel. Doesn't get much easier than this. They're 15 and a half. This one's probably 14 and a half. No point even measuring him. He's just, that's the fish I wanted right there. Big old trout. Big old trout. I need a net. Yeah. That's a big trout, Kelly. Good trout. I knew he was going to be right there on that drop off. Sweet. That's an 18-incher. Did I call it or what? 18-inch trout right on the drop off? For the video, this is what we look for, these little dark drop offs right on the edge of these sandbars. Oh, and the big trout. Oh, hooked one right when I said that. Oh, it fell off. But you sit right on this side of the bar where they can't see you. Cast right into this dark hole. This is where the big trout like to live, right here in the springtime. Pretty much every bar out here in Crystal River will hold trout right now. No secret to it. Just jig anything you want on the other side of a bar. You got a big trout in your first cast? Go Kelly! Am I gonna need the net? Put up a fight.
Maybe.
Is that a rock? Oh my god, he's pulling drag. You had me going. You had yourself going for a minute. Sock-sided. There we go, big trout. This is what a trout looks like, Kelly. Oh! I was gonna make fun of your rock. I just lost the 18-incher. Get him again. There we go. What? Alright, it's a big red. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, that's a nice red. He's not even that big. Why did he fight so hard? Jeez, he's tiny. Alright, we're cast that sand patch. And a decent little fight. I thought he was much bigger than that. Fighting good in that current. You like how I called it? I said right in that cove.
So you call it red.
I don't know what It was either a massive trout or it's a small snook. I mean, if that was a trout, it's huge. Oh, it's a snook. Don't you just love this creek? Why do we ever leave? It's down there in the grass. He's strong. Come on. He's not a keeper, he's too small, but not bad. There you go. He's just under slot. There he goes. Another redfish in that hole. Redfish are eating mullet today. Tighten drag a little if you need to. Looks like another good one. There you go. That's a nice red. Good job, Kelly. Another keeper. Nice fish, Kelly. We already got our limit. Letting another one go. Kelly. Try to reel a little slower. We got a redfish. And we didn't think the black drum were here anymore. We just had to come to the Kelly spot. Good job, Kelly. First cast at the drum hole. That's a good eating size right there. Good job, babe.